ready to inject some serious urgency into your Kajabi offers and boost those conversions. Let's dive into Kajabi timers. First, we'll explore adding timers directly to your Kajabi pages to create a sense of immediate scarcity. Navigate to your Kajabi dashboard and select Pages. To start, choose the page where you want to add your timer a circumflex euros. This could be a sales page, a webinar registration page, or even a coming soon page. Once your page is open in the editor, click on the Add Section button, usually found at the bottom or side of your existing content in the sidebar that appears. Look for Countdown Timer or a similar timer element and drag it onto your page where you want it to appear. This is your primary tool for creating that live urgency for your visitors. Now let's configure your timer. In the settings panel that pops up, you'll designate the exact end date and time for your countdown. This is crucial for setting the deadline. You can also choose to display a specific offer or message when the timer runs out, like offer expired or registration closed. But we're not stopping at just the date. Kajabi offers fantastic customization options. You can change the colors to match your brand, adjust the font styles and sizes, and even decide which parts of the timer to display a circumflex euros, like days, hours, minutes, and seconds. Make it visually appealing and align it perfectly with your brand aesthetic. Timers aren't just for pages. They're incredibly powerful in your emails too. Open up your Kajabi email editor and head to your email content. You'll find a similar components or add element section. Look for the timer icon and drag it directly into your email body. Just like with pages, you'll set your specific end date and time, and then customize its appearance. This is perfect for flash sales, limit time bonuses, or early bird discounts, reminding your subscribers of the approaching deadline right in their inbox. Strategically placed throughout your marketing funnels, these timers can dramatically increase your conversion rates. Imagine a timer on your sales page, coupled with email reminders. This creates a consistent push for your audience to act now, leveraging both visual cues and direct communication. By effectively utilizing Kajabi timers, you're not just adding a visual element, you're building excitement, reinforcing value, and compelling your audience to make a decision. Start implementing them today and watch your conversions soar.